Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. As you can see in front of me here, we've got the Intex automatic pool cleaner. We've got our Summer Waves pool, or no, Best Way pool. You know, Intex, Best Way, Summer Waves, they're all pretty much the same, right? Got the metal frame pool, it's a 14 foot, and I've been wanting to get a pool cleaner for a while, so I went on Amazon and I finally got one. It's a good price, and I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check that out. But yeah, so here it is, and I thought, let's unbox it and let's get it installed. So we got some family coming over this weekend, and want to make sure the pool is nice and clean, right? So let's take a look at it. So I've seen some other reviews and videos about this, and it seems like it worked pretty good for most people. Hopefully it works well for me. I guess we'll find out. Let's keep unboxing it here. Alright, looks like we have some brushes, looks like replacement brushes. Looks like they go on the bottom. Important safety rules, instructions. Alright. Looks like it's packaged pretty decent here. Looks like it's got some things here, some little clips. Then inside here is the filter, and where everything is collected. Opens up. So now this pool cleaner attaches to your inlet, so the water coming from the pump and filter back into the pool. It runs off that pressure, so you have to make sure that you have a good enough pool pump. It puts out I don't know the proper rate off the top of my head, but you can't just use like those small filter cartridges that it comes with. It has to be a bigger pump. Alright, looks like we've got to put the brushes in the bottom here. Remove brushes from underneath the device when vacuuming large debris or leaves on the pool floor. Okay, that's good. I don't think there's large stuff going on in my pool right now. There might be. We had a storm blow through the other day. Okay, so it looks like they just clip in. Put one on each side. Clips on a little bit. So it says that if you have, you know, like I said, large debris in your pool, you take those brushes off. Now they can get sucked up in there. And it comes with extras, so we'll put those aside. Clockwise turn. Let's check it out here. Oh, guess I should put that back on. Okay, so it just pops on like that. Alright, well, let's go put it in the pool. Alright, so I got the pump turned off, and I got the attachment device here attached to the hose. Alright, got the cleaner in the pool right now. It says when you turn it on that you want to bring it up to get the air out of it, so I'll do that. But I just want to get it attached first. We'll see, get the unit run out of the way here. So you take off this piece on the inside of the inlet. This is when I purchased the Intex sand filter that came with this, and after the first year I then put this on there after cutting it out. You can also see some other of my pool videos. I'll link them up there in the card. I've got some my pool setup videos and when I cut a hole into the side of the pool for the skimmer. Highly recommended. Alright, so we got this piece unscrewed. Now I put this piece on there. Alright. What do you call a careful wolf? A werewolf. Alright, so we want to hold up the cleaner now. Try to get some of the air out. Let's turn we'll turn it on just for a second. Alright. I got most of it out. Now it says, I think we just make sure we can turn it on and we'll see what happens. If you find any of this helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd very much appreciate it. And it's free. Let's turn this pump on. Well, that thing goes off crazy. Where'd it go? I just backwashed the filter earlier too, so it's got pretty good pressure. Like I said, we had some storms come through, so yeah, it definitely needs to be cleaned. I don't know, so far it's moving pretty good, and it's, you know, it's trapping some particles as it flows through the cleaner. But then it also, you know, it kicks up, looks like it kicks up some larger pieces, so that way hopefully, you know, they can get sucked up by your skimmer. Like I said, having that skimmer has made me, it's been a lot easier to keep this pool clean. I thought it was stuck on the ladder for a second, but no, it turned around and kept moving. So let's let the cleaner run for a while here, and look, here it comes. And it's moving around the pool pretty good. I do have a few wrinkles in there, but it's still, you know, it's moving pretty good through there. It's pretty cool to watch that thing move around, actually. This pool is dirtier than I thought it was. Dang, storms will do that. We got rid of all the trees in our yard, but neighbors still have trees, and when the winds are that strong, you get everything from your neighbor's trees. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna let this this thing run for a while and do its job, and check on it a little while, and then I'll continue on with the video. But I wanted to let you know that I got 2 of these. So once I hit 2,500 subscribers on my channel, I'll be doing a giveaway. and I do lots of stuff in the yard and around the house. So I'll be reaching out to different companies who focus on, you know, a lot of it's lawn care, but we'll also throw in some pool stuff too. So I will have one of these in that giveaway. I'm just under 1,500 subscribers now, so that's only 1,000 away. Easy peasy. Make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends. Now, I'm not a pool professional, but I'm in some awesome groups on Facebook, and we all learn a lot from each other. This is our, let's see, our 3rd year of having this pool. We had a smaller 10-foot, much shorter one before that when the kids were smaller. And I don't know, I think we're a pool family. We love being out in the yard. I mean, when it's nice out, so at least I do. Someday, maybe we'll get a bigger pool. Not sure, but this is our 3rd year in this house, so we've got a lot of projects to do yet, and can only do so much at a time, right? So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Obviously, you got to subscribe to be in that giveaway. If you're watching this video after we've already reached 2,500 subscribers, you're still going to want to subscribe, because I'm going to want to do more giveaways. Maybe not quite as big as that one, but there'll be more. I'll come back after a little while, let this thing run, see what kind of junk we get in the bottom. Alright, so it's been running for a while now. I did take it out once, probably about a half an hour ago. Just take a look at it, and it had some stuff in it for sure. I guess there was more leaves and stuff in here than I thought. Like I said, we had some storms recently, so a lot of stuff blew in. But let's see where it's at. It's working pretty good so far. I'm happy with the purchase. Like I said, it was pretty dirty. So it says, you know, get it to the side. You don't want to be pulling on the hose too much here. And when I checked it before, I brought it close to the top and it dumped a bunch of stuff out. So I'm going to try not to have that happen this time. But I think there was, like I said, there was some leaves and sticks stuck in there. So a little bit of stuff came out of the pool. Not as bad as last time. And I'll be running this all night. Let's open this bad boy up again. Stay. All right, so here we go. Here's the screen. You just kind of lift this out. Pops in there. Picking up sand and all the particles on the bottom of the pool, so that's awesome. There we go. There's a good amount of stuff in there. A lot of sand. So now I just got to rinse this stuff off, put it back in the pool. Look at that, it's picking up hair, sand. Look at that glitter. I mean, if you have a daughter, you know there's glitter everywhere. Whew. This is definitely awesome. I'm glad I purchased this. And like I said, make sure to subscribe, because once I hit 2,500 subscribers, I'll be giving one of these away. Here, I'm just gonna pop this back on and put it back in so it can finish cleaning. Should be good by this weekend. Today's Thursday. I mean, it's pretty easy to handle. It's all set back in there. Try to let the air out of it again. Woo! And it's off. It's a pretty cool little thing. All right, there we have it. Intex automatic pool cleaner. It's gonna clean your pool the easy way. I mean, I did enjoy cleaning the pool before, you know, Saturday, Sunday mornings, had my coffee, I'd be out here, you know, being the pool boy. Pool man, pool guy? I am the yard guy. So go ahead, leave a like, leave a comment. Tell me what the weather's like. I don't care, leave any kind of comment. But be sure to subscribe, and then you can hit that bell to be notified. So that way, when I do get 2,500 subscribers, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.